I'm Lisa and this is Brunette Wig Place, and today I am doing a review for Wig Studio One. So before I get started on the review of this very pretty little piece, I want to remind you of just a few things. Wig Studio One has a support group page on Facebook. It is a private page, private group. The name of that group is Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. We invite you to come over and join in the wig chat and hair loss support that you can receive there. They also have a coupon code, and that coupon code is Beautiful You, and that is a code that's good for 30% off of most of their brands. So today I am wearing this very chic, very feminine, pretty little style. This is MUSE by Raquel Welch in the color R9S Plus Glazed Mahogany. So super cute little piece. Let me do a turn and we will look at her from all sides, and then we can get into her specs. So this is my right side. Really cute. I love the way they cut it so that it points towards the chin. Very pretty. The back, very pretty stacking in the back. My left side. And then back to the front. So she's just a very, very pretty style. I actually read online that she is one of Raquel Welch's favorites from her collections. So just a little fun trivia there. So the cap is a fully hand-tied monotop lace front cap. So we can look at the lace front here. Lace front, of course, is very well done. They just always do an outstanding job on their lace fronts. It does have this highlighting up here in the front. These particular colors, the S Plus colors, have a specific shading in the front, so the highlights are specifically placed at the crown, at the front of the wig. So that's really nice. These knots are just invisible. It just looks great. So, and then her ear tabs, while we're up close here, are very, very good. Nice, big metal stay in there. I've got great coverage around the ear, very comfortable around the ear. This cap is fitting my 21-inch head really, really well, but there is some room in here for stretch, for a larger circumference. So really, really cute style. So as far as her measurements, she is 4 inches here in the front. She is 7 inches from the crown. Her sides and the back are 4.5 inches, and then her nape back here is 2.5 inches. So, she's definitely a shorter bobbed style. Really, really just cute. I don't know, like I said, I just keep thinking sophisticated. I think she's very sophisticated. She's very chic. Really pretty style. So she is a full monotop. So parting, I have her parted on the left. You could part her down the middle. You could push her over from the right side. I was playing with her, actually. I like her on the right side too. I was just feeling like the bangs were falling better on me from the left, but I'm also super used to a left side part now because a lot of synthetic wigs, of course, are just parted from the left. But you can see she's really, really cute there. You can just, and she's easy to toss back and forth as far as those links are concerned on the sides. Let me just glance in the mirror, get her right here. So super, super cute style. Okay, so this color is R9S Plus Glazed Mahogany. Really, really pretty color, as you can see. Those highlights are placed there on the crown and then coming down, but I did notice in the back, I don't see a lot of highlighting. I may get a glare when I turn my head here. But I definitely do see that, specific placement that they're talking about those highlights up in the front. Really, really cute. I'll pop her off. We can look at the inside of the cap, and we'll take the color outside and look at her outside too. So there's that color just off of my head. You see the highlights up here? Back here, I don't see them as much. So I suppose that must be, what they're talking about. But it is a shorter style, so, the highlights are consistent through most of the wig. So really, really cute. And like I said, that lace front is really, really nice. Lace front goes temple to temple here, as you can see, which is really nice. Flip her inside out here. Monotop, and there's that lace front, temple to temple. She's got a fully hand-tied cap. She does have some closed wefting back here in the back, but closed wefting I still find to be very invisible if the wind blows or whatever. She's got the velvety covered ear tabs, which are very soft with a good sized piece of metal there. She does have an extended nape, which is also the velvety soft material, and she has the Velcro adjusters, which are great. put those in place one time and leave them there, and that's your spot. And it's best to just leave them there, because if you keep, you know how it is with Velcro, if you keep pulling it up and messing around with it, it gets less and less sticky. But I honestly have never had a wig that where the Velcro went out. So you do usually find your spot and you just leave it there. Okay. With bangs, I just have to make sure I don't have any little hairs, you know, poking me in the eye while I'm trying to talk, of course. Okay, let's take her outside and we will look at this shade, Glazed Mahogany R9S Plus, outside in the natural light. Okay, so we are outside with this Glazed Mahogany, which is R9S Plus on MUSE by Raquel Welch. So you can really see those highlights when we're out here in the natural light, but they're very subtle, they're very well done. They do such a nice job with their shading. It just looks very natural. Just like you just left the hair salon. Really, really nice. We'll get out here in the full, it's a cloudy day, but the full light. Very pretty. Okay, so as you can see, that shade is very, very pretty out there in the natural light. I love the distribution of the highlights. They're just really, really pretty colors. So really cute. I'm thinking I didn't cover the colors actually, now that I think about it. So the actual colors in it are a warm medium brown with a gingery or a warm brown highlight running through it. So took care of that. Sorry about that. Anyway, so she's really cute to style. I like to, you know, tuck in her behind the ears. I really like with these short styles. They just look very chic, you know, when they're tucked behind the ears, and it's just kind of fun. I like her out, you know, not tucked also, but if you just want to change it up a little bit, you know, give it a little tuck behind the ears. Also, if you're just feeling like it's too much hair that's up on your face, you can give her a little tuck. And then she's also really cute to just pull a little, you know, you can pull just a little bit of her back in a little clip. She looks really cute like that. Or you can put her behind the ears, and then you could put, you know, a cute clip on either side, and she looks really cute like that. If these bangs are bothering you, or if you just want to get them off your face, you know, just for one particular day, or you just want to change the style, you can clip those bangs back. I just want to make sure my wig cap isn't showing through there. And she's really cute like that too. She's got that gorgeous lace front, so you can easily just clip her back like that. And then she is very, very friendly with glasses. So really, really good with the glasses. I tend to not pay that much attention to where my glasses are in the hair. I know some people like to have them under the hair, so I'll try to do a nicer job of that. So really, really cute. And then she's, you know, fully hand tied. Nice little cap. You could stick your glasses up in her very easily. I used to always do this with my bio hair, so that was something I had to kind of adjust to with wigs. I wasn't as comfortable doing it. You know, I am now, but I wasn't when I first started wearing wigs. But she's really easy to just plop the glasses into if you want to, because anytime you move that hair, you're gonna have, you know, that appearance of scalp anywhere on that cap, because it's, you know, fully hand tied everywhere. So not something that you need to be concerned with. So she is just a really, really pretty style. Again, I wanna thank Wig Studio One for sending her to me to review for you all today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.